Good morning. I'm hitting record because I got peanut butter sandwiches out here. Peanut butter sandwiches out here. Peanut butter sandwiches out here. The pedestal, the chair, the brick, the step, hooked up. Now, there's one coming from across the street right now. See, he's over by the telephone pole in that car. Here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes, here he comes. I feel like it's not on it right. Can you see him? I feel like my camera's like, its eye is off center or some junk. He's just sitting there. Can you see? I don't. Now I've lost him. Oh, there he is. He's by the mulberry bush. Yeah, he's a brownish gray one, and he is blending right in, isn't he? I see that tail though. See, he's got to go in little spurts because it's so windy. I almost didn't put nothing out because it's so windy, but I think he is living in the neighbor's tree in his backyard. He's got a big old tree, and I'm pretty sure that's where he came from. I watched him. But yeah, he's waiting for that wind to die down. He's hungry. Aww. He's on the move. Oh no, he's going home. Ow! Get it. Tossed one out there. It's right by the sewer. Acting very weird over there. Oh, yeah, come stop the birds from taking it. Here. Oh, he got that one. Wait, no, he didn't. Right. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Okay. I think he wants me to hand him one. Okay. Uh-oh. There was birds all over that piece. Where did he go? This squirrel got scared by a bunch of birds? Where'd he go? My hair. There he comes. Come on. Oh, don't be scared. It's a little cold. The wind makes it cold. My hair is in the camera. Oh, he found that sandwich. You know what? It's too cold for this nonsense. apologize. Take it back. Alright, now, oh, that wind has got my hair crazy. Oh my god, my hair is all crazy. I threw one there. Shit. Uh-oh. He's on the pedestal. I don't know why I can't see him. Oh. He's on the pedestal. I got this piece in my peanut butter on me. I just want to get a little piece ready. Let me pause this a minute. Yeah, he's still on the pedestal. I don't know if you can see him or not. I can't see the phone, it's all dark. You guys see all bushy forward. I do not see any more. I got some good pieces ready to, like this is a good piece for a handoff because it's long and you're less likely to get scratched or bit. Okay, he licked all the peanut butter out of that one. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I got some peanuts too. My hair. You know what? Hold on. I'm going to push the damn wind's trying to take my door away. Push him a little further out so the camera can see him. I probably shouldn't have done that though. Not with the wind like this. Oh. Oh, okay, let me pause it. I'm struggling. Alright, it's looking like I'm gonna hang it up because he went somewhere. I don't know where. I don't see any other ones, but you know, like I said, it's really windy out. So they tend to stay home when it's windy because the wind could blow them off the branch and they could get really hurt. And we don't want that. I keep bumping the thing in the door. And my baby nose keeps running. Stupid weather. Oh, wait. No, he's back. He's back for peanuts. Oh no, my hand can't hold the phone like that. It was shaking. Oh, where's he going? He's probably going to hide him. Silly squirrel, silly squirrel. No black ones yet. But you know me, I'll keep you posted. Peace out, Peanut Butter House. Been real.